Okay, I got a little bit before sundown here, and I'm going to take a whack at this thing again with the chainsaw now that I fixed it. Also need to report Mater has taken a beating. Lost a big hunk tonight during the mowing. That's 3 layers thick, by the way, down there. And also I noticed some of the inside stuff is coming apart down in there. Next project up is going to have to be a little rehab on Mater. Meanwhile, we're going to get the chainsaw out and have a whack at this pile. Okay. Well, I'm kind of pooped now. I just finished mowing the lawn for 2 hours before I did this. And, God, it's gorgeous out. But I think we got our proof of concept. You saw I went right through those things. You'll see better effects when I go to the big dump pile. It's like overloaded. Cut that down, get that to collapse. That'll be something. But this has demonstrated that this will work for that. So there's your proof of concept, Kramer. P.S. Just leave you with a little bit of sunset here. Happy day to you.